In this daily drop, I'm going to talk about some of the core kit that I'm bringing with me on my trip to LA. So let's go. All right, my flight is actually not very long from now. I'm going to get a few hours of sleep. And in front of me, I have the core kit that I'm bringing with me on my trip. So I thought it might make sense for me to go over that. Now, besides the MacBook Pro and an iPad mini and just sort of the normal stuff that you would bring for business and a carry-on that'll have my clothes in it, I'm just going to have a medium-sized backpack with this core kit. I'm not going to be creating a lot of content on the trip, but I'll probably create enough for 1 or 2 episodes of the Daily Drop. So here's what I've got. Portable tripod, carbon fiber. It's very, very small. It fits right into the side pocket of a backpack. The main camera systems that I'm taking, iPhone 15 Pro and the FX30 with the 23mm f1.4 lens from Sigma. Now, I could take the 18-50 Sigma lens that I'm using here, which is a 2.8, but I never know what I'm going to get in the hotel room if I'm going to shoot an episode, and having that extra 2 stops of shallow depth of field might get me out of a pickle. So that's the lens I'm taking. That 23 should do everything I need it to do, along with the iPhone on the trip. Audio-wise, the Wireless Pro system from Rode is in here, 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, and the lavalier. I've got my Sennheiser headphones. For my light, I am bringing, big surprise, the Molus X100, which is and can be powered by USB-C, and I can do that either off of mains or off of a battery. I've got a little clamp with a 1/4-20, so I can mount that somewhere, back of a chair or something like that. There's the Velcro noise. This is the Anker 737. This will power the light, and for the rest of that stuff, if I want to go mains or I just want the cabling, I've got in here power bricks, USB-C, 100 watt, 65 watt. I've got all the power delivery cables. I can power that light all the way up to 100 watt output if I need to. And then this is kind of my little grip pouch inside of here. And in here I have a little iPhone mount, which also has 1/4-20 on the bottom. It has a little cold shoe here. I've got a portable little tripod, which I can put together, which will give me, with the ball mount, an option to then mount something else. I can go ahead and just, mount a Arca Swiss plate there if I needed to, if I didn't want to use a full-size tripod or I was on a table or something like that. Got to clean the lenses, so I've got Zeiss little wipes and a little rocket blower there and a lens pen. And then this one is probably the most interesting you should be thinking about. This is a 4x4 silk, one-stop silk from Westcott. That means I can bounce or diffuse pretty much anywhere I am. Bring a couple of spring or A-clamps with you, and Bob's your uncle. Put it, just clamp it to the curtain in the hotel and bounce your light off of that, and you'll get a neutral return for a key light. That's what I got. That's kind of the core kit that I'm bringing with me. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.